This is our 5 horsepower number 2 Cincinnati horizontal mill, stock number 5345. Here, the Cincinnati is taking a 3/4 inch wide by 1/2 inch deep cut with a 3/4 inch wide by 4 inch diameter side cutter. The Cincinnati has a 5 horsepower motor having 16 spindle speeds of 25 to 1500 RPM. The Cincinnati has a 10 inch by 54.5 inch table with power feed and rapid traverse to all 3 axes. The Cincinnati has longitudinal travel of 28 inches left and right. The number 2 Cincinnati mill has cross travel of 8.5 inches in and out. The Cincinnati has 16 inches of knee travel between the spindle and the table. The Cincinnati comes equipped with the following accessories: auto lubrication and coolant. Thanks for watching. Give Industrial Machinery a call. Our number is 614-464-4376.